you have not been to our library, I encourage you guys to come and visit us. We have plenty of books, puzzles, toys, Legos, computers for you guys to use. If you guys want to do your AR points, get more AR points, we have AR books that you guys can check out, read, and test here at your school. Alrighty? So today is a special treat. Your teacher thought it would be nice for us to visit you all. We're going to have a little bit of a story. And once we're done with the story, we're going to have a puppet show. And if you guys are really, really good, we'll boogie a little bit, okay? So everybody crisscross, applesauce, hands on your lap, level 0. Okay, so I'm gonna have Vic hold the mic for me. And here we go. Splat the cat, what was that? Okay? The tricking and treating was almost done. Splat and Spike only had the old house to visit. Let's go, cried Spike. Let's not, said Splat. It's too spooky. But Seymour had already scurried up to the old house. We have to find Seymour, cried Splat. I hope there's no ghost. Ooh. Seymour, shouted Splat. Trick or treat, shouted Spike. Splat and Spike slowly crept down a hallway full of creepy paintings. Are we being watched? asked Splat. Ooh. Yikes! Is that a witch in the closet? They searched the dining room. Seymour, they shouted. Look at that witch. Ooh. Grumble. Seymour, where are you? They cried. Groan. Spike was starting to get scared. Look at that. Are you guys scared? In the library, Splat leaned against an old statue. Spike, are you there? Splat called. Vampire ducks, they screamed and ran away. Look at that. Woo. I know. Look, is that a monster in the cellar? Ooh. More spooky sounds were coming from behind this door. Uh-oh, it's a ghost! What is that? said Splat. He ripped away the sheet. It was Seymour. So you made all those spooky sounds, said Splat. I guess too much candy made your tummy ache. Seymour just groaned. Look at that. Too much candy. Ooh. You gave us quite a fright, Seymour, said Splat. For a moment, we thought we were ghosts. Happy Halloween! And that is the end of Splat the Cat. What was that? Okay, guys. Since we're done with the story, you guys ready for the puppets? Okay, guys. Crisscross applesauce, and we gotta be quiet so that you guys can hear the puppet show, okay? All right, we'll be right back. We're gonna go check on those puppets.
Leonardo was a terrible monster. He couldn't scare anyone. He didn't have 1,642 teeth like Tony. He wasn't big like Elem. And he wasn't just plain weird like Hector. Leonardo tried very hard to be scary, but he just wasn't. One day, Leonardo had an idea. he would find the most scaredy cat kid in the whole world and scare the tuna salad right out of him. Leonardo researched until he found the perfect candidate, Sam. Leonardo snuck up on the poor, unexpecting boy. And the monster gave it all he had until the little boy cried.
Yes!
Cheered Leonardo.
I did it! I finally scared the tuna salad out of someone! No, you didn't!
Snapped Sam.
Oh, yeah?
Replied Leonardo.
Then why are you crying? My mean big brother stole my action figure right out of my hands while I was still playing with it. And then he broke it on purpose. And it was my favorite toy. And I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. And I got so mad I kicked the table and stubbed my toe with the same foot I hurt last month when I accidentally slipped in the bathtub after I got soap in my eyes trying to wash out the bird poo that my brother's cockatoo pooped on my head. And I don't have any friends and my tummy hurts. That's why.
Then Leonardo made a very big decision.
It's okay.
Instead of being a terrible monster, he would become a wonderful friend. But that didn't mean he couldn't try scaring his friend every now and then.
Boo!
The end.
See what's going on, 'cause I simply won't be be a frog on the pond, and you're gonna sing along. I just say, I see some ducks and geese hang around this place. Here to have a drink. They come here to wash their face, but they can't say. They can't say. To be a part of the pond, and you just gotta sing along. Just say. Not quite. Try it again.
How do you actually say that?
Like this. The horses and the cows drop by to say hello. They neigh or else they move, but they can't get way down low. They can't say it. They can't say almost. To be a frog up on the pond, and you're gonna sing along. You just say.
Big Smelly Bear. Big Smelly Bear never washed. Big Smelly Bear never brushed. Big Smelly Bear never took a bath. Big Smelly Bear was followed by a big, smelly stink wherever he went. Bzzz. Flies buzzed all around him, but they were the only ones who ever came close. When the animals in the forest got a whiff of Big Smelly Bear, they ran away as quickly as they could. None of this seemed to bother Big Smelly Bear, but sometimes he did think that it would be nice to have a friend. Then, one morning, everything changed. Big Smelly Bear woke up with the most terrible itch. He tried to scratch his back with his paw, but he couldn't reach. He tried rolling on the ground in the dirt, but that didn't stop the itching either. Big Smelly Bear was itchier and dustier than ever. He tried scratching his back with a tree branch, but that made the itch even itchier. He tried rubbing his back against the trunk of an old tree, but that didn't help at all.
I would scratch your back for you,
said a voice from above.
but you are much too smelly.
Big Smelly Bear looked up and saw a big fluffy bear sitting in some branches. Big Fluffy Bear smiled at Big Smelly Bear.
Why don't you take a bath?
Asked Big Fluffy Bear.
Then you wouldn't itch or smell.
Because I don't need a bath, replied Big Smelly Bear.
Yes, you do.
Said Big Fluffy Bear. No, I don't, said Big Smelly Bear.
Yes, you do.
Growled Big Fluffy Bear. No, I do not, growled Big Smelly Bear back.
Yes, you do.
Cried Big Fluffy Bear. No, I do not, shouted Big Smelly Bear.
Yes, you do.
Shouted Big Fluffy Bear.
Because you stink.
Both big bears sat quietly for a minute. Then Big Smelly Bear sighed a big sigh. Oh, all right, he said. And he stomped off grumpily down the hill to the pond. When Big Smelly Bear got out of the pond, he shook the water from his big body. Big Fluffy Bear jumped down from the tree and sniffed.
There.
She said.
That's much better. Now you smell all clean.
And she scratched his back for him. The itch was gone. Big Smelly Bear sighed. Thank you, he said. Then he gave Big Fluffy Bear's back a little scratch too. I'm not going to take any more baths, said Big Smelly Bear. Big Fluffy Bear smiled, and the two bears had a little bear hug. Big Smelly Bear liked Big Fluffy Bear very much. Even though he said he would never bathe again, sometimes late at night he would wander down to the big pond. And can you guess what he was doing? The end.
Can you play this game? I'll tell you what I'll do, then you shout my name. I live on a farm, but I don't pull a cow. I make milk by eating my chow. Always say, I never say. If you solve my riddle, shout your H. Are you ready for a riddle? Can you play this game? I'll tell you what I do, then you shout my name. I live on a farm, but not in a pen. I lay eggs again and again. I must have laid way more than 10. If you've solved my riddle, shout your H.
plan. I wanna grow old just as soon as I can. My mother is a ewe and my father is a ram. You solved my riddle. Shout yours a lamb. Yes, I am. Can't fool you guys. Are you ready for a riddle? Can you play this game? I'll tell you what I do, then you shout my name. I live on a farm and I walk around loose, growing feathers for pillows, that's my use. I hiss and I honk, I don't need an excuse. I am not a chicken, no, I'm a goose. Are you ready for a riddle? Can you stretch your brain? The next one stands in the field in the rain. Well, I grow on a farm, I'll be something to eat. But I'm not an animal, I'm not meat. You make me in the flour for bread, it's meat. I could be a sandwich, but for now I'm meat. Holy that is. Are you ready for a riddle? Well, without a doubt, I am not, I'm all riddled out.
I went to the zoo, the zoo. I went to the zoo to send me a pet. And what did you get? What did you get? They sent me an elephant. Oh, what? An elephant. And did you keep him? He was too big. So I sent him back. So they sent me a giraffe. A what? A giraffe. And did you keep him? He was too tall. So I sent him back. So they sent me a lion. A what? A lion. And did you keep him? He was too fierce. So I sent him back. So they sent me a camel. A what? A camel. And did you keep him? He was too grumpy. So I sent him back. So they sent me a snake. A what? A snake. And did you keep him? He was too scary. So I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. A what? A monkey. And did you keep him? He was too naughty. So I sent him back. So they sent me a frog. A what? A frog. And did you keep him? He was too jumpy. So I sent him back. What happened next? So they thought very hard and sent me a puppy. A what? A puppy. And what happened next? What happened next? What happened next? What happened next? He was perfect. I kept him. Get out your backpack.
Open them up. Let's put in some crackers in case we get hungry. And let's put in a thermos of milk in case we get thirsty. Oh, and don't forget your flashlight in case it's dark. Zip them up and repeat after me. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Gonna catch a big one. With big green eyes. With big green eyes. And a fuzzy little tail. And a fuzzy little tail. Look over there. Look over there. It's a candy factory. It's a candy factory. Can't go over it. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. Can't go around it. I guess we'll go through it. I guess we'll go through it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Gonna catch a big one. With big green eyes. Big green eyes. And a fuzzy little tail. And a fuzzy little tail. Look over there. Look over there. It's a peanut butter river. It's a peanut butter river. Can't go over it. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. Can't go around it. I guess we'll swim across it. I guess we'll swim across it. Hey, let's get out those crackers. And the thermos of milk. All right. All right. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. With big green eyes. With big green eyes. And a fuzzy little tail. And a fuzzy little tail. Look over there. Look over there. It's the Jello swamp. It's the Jello swamp. Can't go over it. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. Can't go around it. I guess we'll go through it. I guess we'll go through it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. We're gonna catch a big one. With big green eyes. With big green eyes. And a fuzzy little tail. And a fuzzy little tail. Look over there. Look over there. It's a cave. It's a cave. Can't go over it. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. Can't go around it. I guess we'll go through it. I guess we'll go through it. Get out your flashlight. Turn it on. It's cold in here. It's cold in here. I see two big green eyes. I see two big green eyes. And a fuzzy little tail. And a fuzzy little tail. It's a bear. It's a bear. Go home. Open the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. We went on a bear hunt. We went on a bear hunt. And we weren't afraid. And we weren't afraid. My friend, the alligator is my friend, and he can be your friend too. And he can be your friend too. If only you could understand. If only you could understand. Don't wear him as a shoe. Don't wear him as a shoe. Alligator, alligator, alligator. likes to dance and flirt.
He likes to dance and flirt.
If only you could understand.
If only you could understand.
Don't wear him as a skirt.
Don't wear him as a skirt.
Alligator.
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 Can be your friend, can be your friend, can be your friend too.
Be your friend, be your friend, be your friend too.
The alligator is my friend.
The alligator is my friend.
He likes to sing and dance.
He likes to sing and dance.
If only you could understand.
If only you could understand.
Don't wear him as your pants.
Don't wear him as your pants.
Alligator. Alligator.
Alligator.
Alligator. Can be your friend, can be your friend, can be your friend too.
Boys and girls, thank you so much for inviting us to your beautiful school. Happy Unity Day, and I hope to see you at the public library. Thank you so much.